Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to the channel. I want to show you something new that I just got. So it's a 2001 Toyota Altezza. Me and my wife and one of my boys, we went to go pick it up. We drove it for about 7 hours back home. It was a long drive, but it was an awesome time. So I saw the car only through the Facebook market, so just pictures and everything. It was through a dealership. You know, they were very honest and everything, but the car needs a lot of work basically. Y'all could see this right here, just damage on it, you know, and the interior, you know, it's in okay shape. Has some of that sticky dash that I've been reading about. You know, also it has some beating up to it. You know, it's not in great shape, but I'm just super excited about this car. Sticky dash. I'm not sad about all this type of work I have to do to it. It has a 3S beams motor, and check out the interior. It's in okay shape, you know, but I'm gonna see what I could do with it. Have some fun with this car. See these wheels, you know, they're all beat up and stuff. There's some little video on the beams motor. Just super excited to see what I'm gonna be able to do to this car. It does have some weird noises whenever I turn this on, but you hear that noise? Yeah, whatever it's saying. It's just a sweet ride. So I'm super excited, guys, just to show you like just the process on this car. I don't know if I'm gonna be taking out the whole dash or not, or maybe I am, just to go ahead and restore it. You know, like I'm thinking about painting these seats with some dye on it, because right now, to buy brand new upholstery, so it's not the time for that right now. I'll show you one thing that I add on to this car. It's just my phone mount. But so far, I've been enjoying this car a lot. I've been driving it maybe already about 5 days ever since I got it. It's just an enjoyable car to drive. I know it's not powerful and it's not like no 500-600 horsepower and stuff like that. I'm just really enjoying that 4-cylinder motor. That I'm seriously getting some amazing gas mileage out of this vehicle, because it's just I don't know. I'm just surprised about this car, and that's just the thing, you know. I just want to build this to be able to have this is my daily driver now, because I usually daily drive a Jeep, and my wife uses that Alpha over there. I usually drive that white Jeep over there. I had this Super for a long time already, so I've done a lot to it through the years. But yep, this is my daily driver, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff with this, doing all this build. So you guys stay tuned, see the process in this car with you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys till next time. All right, God bless.